Hello, my healthy friends. I'm Autumn, and as we color together today, I'm going to share some important new words. When you hear this sound after a word, that was a vocabulary word, and its definition is coming up next. Our coloring sheet today is all about agriculture. Agriculture is another word for farming. It includes both growing and harvesting crops and raising animals or livestock. All of the food we eat comes from agriculture. Let's color this big, beautiful sunshine first. Sunshine is very important to agriculture because plants need it to grow and produce fruits and vegetables. Plants use the sunshine that touches their leaves to make food. I've colored the sunshine a bright yellow and the sky a nice blue. It is a bright, sunshiny day on my coloring sheet. Next, let's talk about the ground. Here, I've colored in the soil. Soil is the loose upper layer of the earth's surface where plants grow. Farmers and gardeners plant seeds in the soil. The best soil for healthy plants is a rich, dark brown soil that is loose and fluffy. Worms help soil be loose and fluffy by living and tunneling there. Can you find the worm in our coloring sheet? How can you make your coloring sheet look like it has fluffy soil? I tried by coloring in big circles. What do you think? After the farmer or gardener plants seeds in the soil, plants begin to grow lots of leaves. Not all of the leaves are the same shape or even the same color of green. Did you know that you can get a darker green by pressing a little harder when you color? You can get a lighter green by pressing much lighter. Once the plants grow bigger, they make bright colored flowers. The flowers will attract pollinators. Pollinators move or carry pollen from plant to plant, causing the seeds to be fertilized. Fertilized seeds then grow into fruits and vegetables that we eat. Pollinators can be bees, butterflies, beetles, moths, birds, or even the wind. Can you find all 5 pollinators on our coloring sheet? After pollinators visit vegetable flowers, the plants start to produce vegetables. Here we have all the vegetables colored in. On this sheet we have tomato, carrot, beet, radish, onion, potato, and corn. You can see those words written across the bottom underneath each of those vegetables. Also, look how deep these roots go. Plants push roots deep into the soil to gather water, vitamins, and nutrients to make the plants grow strong. Do you notice how some vegetables are underground and some are above? The ones that grow underground, like roots, are called root vegetables. When the vegetables are ripe, people begin to harvest. Harvest means to collect what has been planted and grown, also called picking crops. Here I've colored in the people and the cute puppy. These people are getting ready to harvest some of the ripe food out of their garden. Maybe they'll have a salad or some roasted corn for dinner. There, we're all colored in. How'd you do on your coloring sheet? So let's talk about what we've learned. Agriculture is another word for farming. It includes both growing and harvesting crops and raising animals or livestock. Soil is the loose upper layer of the earth's surface where plants grow. Farmers and gardeners plant seeds in the soil. Pollinators move or carry pollen from plant to plant, causing the seeds to be fertilized. Fertilized seeds grow into fruits and vegetables that we eat. And harvest means to collect what has been planted and grown, also called picking crops. Which colors did we find on the farm? The dark brown soil means it's a healthy soil. Bright colored flowers will attract more pollinators. Colorful vegetables ripen and are ready to harvest. All of the food we eat, fruits, vegetables, milk, eggs, and meat, all come from agriculture.